Ticket low man ticket to mag Olympics di mar Shujaa lai makare mane nyimegi gero team no matho tuke pod onge kod lony ari James Opondo record ler matho
Shujaa tuke mag Olympics Shujaa katika kutimbe maro Shujaa kocha Kevin Wambua noting mathoth okotu tuke mag kata mano tugo lero ni gitingo nying Kenya kaka dore.
A good start for us. Most of us not experienced and facing some unexperienced teams side, and I really appreciate this moment and really proud of the team. Put all you had and get more game time, get more players that are at least so that you can have. If you look at most of the who are playing at the 7, so having guys who can come off the bench and deliver the same way that the 7 starters could is a very key point in 7.
Gino marti ketula dek mokwongo nobedo matek ne team mar Shujaa gino ma captain Tony Mondi lero ni en puonj maduong' mag yudo.
And Australia, they are top 4. And for a team that is regathering, I think rebuilding, it was a challenge. We knew very well we were capable of doing the medal, but at the end of the day, whatever matters is our growth. These things take time. Young squad again is just a matter of how repeatedly we do it, how we emphasize when we are doing it well, how we motivate them when we are doing well, and just how we can correct when don't go and say we're the right path. You have to work hard, but it's work the boys can do. So I'm confident with them.
Team German piny mar Challenger Series. Team mar tugo maduong' pinje Shujaa biro timo ikruok margi kocha Kevin Wambua nitiere lai makare mar bedo gi higa manyien.
Believe and continue to work in this journey of us. Now that the Olympics are, we know what to expect in the areas that we are going to really try and see and patch up. For me, I'm just happy for the boys. Try the system with the it's going to be a good.
France tikitulo mokwongo bang' loyo team mar Fiji finals ka team mar Afrika ma milambo no tikitulo mar adek. James Opondo, Ramogi TV.